I'm so happy to have this opportunity to be with you all for giving tributes to our great revolutionary leader, Baba Saheb, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I came yesterday to Sydney for attending one global Tamil conference. Tomorrow I am going back to Delhi. Winter session is going on, so only short visit. On 6th, yesterday, December 6th, we in the Global Tamil Conference paid homage to our great revolutionary leader, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, with all Tamil people. I am so happy to meet you all here, Ambedkarites. I knew about this university that our Baba Saheb Ambedkar statue installed here. Yesterday I spoke about this in this Tamil conference. We, the party VCK, is fighting for social justice not only in Tamil Nadu, across the country. We are organizing all the downtrodden people, irrespective of caste, in the name of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, to fight against caste discrimination, to bring our Baba Saheb's ideologies. Particularly, we have to bring the ideology of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which is envisaged in the preamble of the Constitution: liberty, equality and fraternity. These are our main policies or ideology of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. But there is a big threat to the Constitution by the anti-Ambedkarite people or right-wing people in our country. So that we have to organize, consolidate all the democratic forces to protect our Constitution. That is very essential need of the hour. So our party is mainly focusing to protect our Constitution. Every day we are preaching the Constitution among the people, making awareness among the people. We are talking about the Constitution in every event, in every minute. This is very important for us, very big challenge for us, because if we lose our Constitution, we will lose everything in our life in future. So each and every one, every Ambedkarite have to get ready to protect our Constitution, to make a new India as dream of our Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He dreamt to build a new nation which is no discrimination, which will be a casteless India without discrimination in all the means. Discrimination in gender discrimination, caste discrimination, religious discrimination. This kind of discrimination should be eliminated, eradicated. Then only we can achieve the goal of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We can claim the social justice. We can build a new nation, which is the dream of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. But unfortunately, the right-wing people in India is in the power. They are indirectly diluting the constitution. Their main enemy is not a political party like Congress or left forces. Their main enemy is Baba Sahib Ambedkar and the Constitution of India. So they want to demolish the ideology of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So my message to my beloved brothers and sisters that we have to come together to protect our Constitution, to build our new India as our Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's dream. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Wish you all the success. Jai Bhim.